want to graduate with a dual degree? By the time you complete BCom, do you also want to graduate with a professional chartered accountancy degree? I guess it is everyone's dream. So today, I am going to be telling you how can you also pursue a professional chartered accountancy course along with your BCom. I am talking about the professional chartered accountancy course that is recognized in almost 183 countries. That is ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. This is the key to your employment. You want employment in India or abroad. This is the key to your employment. ACCA is broadly divided into two levels, the fundamental level and the professional level. The fundamental level has got 9 papers and the professional level consists of 4 papers. In ACCA, in every paper you need to score only 50 marks to clear the exam. That means there is no group-wise passing, it is only paper-wise passing. ACCA conducts its exams 4 times in a year, that is March, June, September and December. Now let us address the part that how can you pursue BCom along with ACCA. So this is a small little package deal that I am going to be talking about for all the students at our college. Now, if you have already registered for BCom or you are going to be registering soon, you can avail 5 papers conditional exemption. What is this exemption? This exemption means that you will have to give less number of papers to clear ACCA. Out of the 9 fundamental papers, you will be awarded an exemption of 5 papers. That means to become an ACCA, you will have to give only 4 papers at fundamental level and 4 papers at the professional level. So especially for Indira College of Students, we have got a small package where along with your BCom, entire registration, studies for ACCA, preparation for ACCA, planning on which exam to give first for ACCA, all of that is going to be catered to. Now, from registration of ACCA, from paying the exemption fee for ACCA, from properly performing and analyzing and learning all the 8 subjects, that means entire teaching for 8 subjects. All this is coming in a small package deal where we will be charging 58,700 rupees. This 58,700, I am sure when you guys hear this amount, oh my god, this is a lot. Actually, it is not. Just imagine 8 papers proper learning and teaching. Proper 8 papers learning and teaching, where personal attention is going to be given, where an exclusive batch only for Indira students would be taken up, where we are going to be conducting so many mocks and preparing you so that you are able to clear all your exams in the first attempt. Then it is not much. Our planning is going to be in a manner that most of you shall be able to graduate with this dual degree. By the time you complete your BCom, our aim is going to be to also be able to complete your ACCA exams. So from the time of registration till the time of teaching you all the 8 papers, everything is included in this deal. Once you complete your ACCA, your starting salaries are going to be very, very high. On an average, if you search, your starting salaries in India are anywhere between 7 lakhs to 10 lakhs. So this investment for a professional chartered accountancy course, for a course that you can pursue with BCom, for a course where we are going to be providing quality learning and quality teaching, then this investment is not much. We are all finance students. The investment that you are doing, you are going to get a return more than 10 times. So all of you, please register with us for this particular course. The timings, the batch, everything is going to be exclusive for Indira College students, where the timings are going to be post your college or before your college. So don't worry, you will not miss out on college, you will not miss out on college exams, it will not be too much of pressure, but just look at the dream. By the time you receive the graduation certificate of BCom, you shall also be able to be called as an ACCA affiliate. That means you would have cleared all the papers of ACCA and you would have also got the ACCA degree. See you soon for the ACCA course. Thank you.